I need to get my CSS going to do that. So I'm going to put in a link. Relative is equal to style sheet. href is equal to pythagoras.css. I'm just going to copy this one. .css. And that should be it. So close that like that. Then in the CSS, I'm just going to get rid of all of that. And for my different divs, okay, so we have the A div and the B div and all that stuff. So I'm going to say, so hashtag and my A div is going to be its position is relative. So relative to where it is right now, I'm going to be moving it, so top. I'm going to be moving it up, so negative. And let me just move it up, I don't know, like 100 pixels. px, like that, and semicolon, and then left. And this is the A. I said the A, I was going to move it over 300 pixels. So I'm going to make it positive 300. px, like that. Okay, let's save that, and let's refresh this. Yeah, it didn't like something, because the A did not move at all. So let's see why. That's saved, index HTML. Yeah, because I didn't save the HTML, that's why. So now you see the A is moved. Okay, now I need to move the A a little bit further and maybe a little bit higher. Okay, so I'm going to move it over another 100 pixels and maybe up, I don't know, 50 pixels. Okay, so back into the CSS. So let's try 400 and up 50. I don't know, I'm just going to go up another 100. Let's save that and see where the A, okay, I went too high. So I'm going to bring it down 150. And I need to move over maybe another 10 pixels. So 410. Okay, save that. There we are. Okay, so the A is in the right position. Now let's move the B up by about 20 pixels and move it over by 100 pixels. So for the B div, top, I just said I'm going to move it up 50 and move it over 100. Like that. Went too high. I'm going to bring it down 25. Move it over another 50. So down. So I'm going to just go up 25 pixels and try that 150. Save that. So really trial and error with those. And then my C is going to be up here. I want to put the C over the B, but higher than the A. Okay. So I'm going to make it. And it also has to move up, like from where it is, not from where the A was. Okay, so for the B, I'm going to give it the same value as the B, but for the A, I'm going to move it up. How far do we move the A? We moved it up by 150, so I'm going to move it up by, I'm going to try 200. Save that, and where's my C gone? Oh, I moved it down, so I didn't move it up. Okay, I need to go a little higher. Maybe back a little bit would probably be better. So I'm just going to move it left, try 50. Okay, that's not bad. So there's my A, B, and C. Okay, and that's it for the program. The next thing is just putting it into the tumbler. Okay, so, the other thing is I could shrink these things. I want to shrink how wide these things are. So I could just do that individually. I could tell the length of each one, but I could just very simply, because it's an input text, I could just say that it's my text thing, my input. So I'm going to put, so input, like that, and we're going to say the width is, I'm going to try it at 20 pixels, like that. Let's see if it likes that. It does. And that's all I have to do. So I've made these boxes really small. 20 is too small though, so I'm going to try 60. Like that. Okay? So because they are all they're all text input,